Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and I am back to give you guys an eyeshadow tutorial using the Warrior by Juvia's Place palette only. So if you have this palette, or if you plan to get this palette, or if you're interested in seeing how this palette performs, this here is the tutorial and chit chat for you. Get your makeup, get your brushes, and let's go ahead and just get started. So I already have on my face and my brows. I'm going to just go ahead and use this palette and this palette only for this tutorial. So the first color that I'm going to go in this palette is, I think it's called Ahosi. Yeah. It's this really, really light shade. And I'm going to just place Ahosi right under here. And I really like Juvia's Place shadows. They're so nice and pigmented. And then the next thing I'm going to go in with is this shade here, and this shade is called Kano. It's a really pretty transitional shade, and I'm going to just place this right here. And notice I'm doing windshield wiper motions on both eyes. To really deepen up and make this look more dramatic, I'm going to go in with the shade Mino, which is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm going to take this really small shader brush, as you can see, and I'm going to just place this on my outer corners. Really just packing this on to give dimension and kind of going in the crease, but still keeping it concentrated on the outside of the lid. Then I'm going to go back in with Kano and use that to kind of diffuse that black, that dark color. Go closer and get it. Let's go for the lid color. So for my lid, I'm going to use this shade down here. Wait, what shade is it? What color is this? Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah. I'm going to take the shade Benin down here. I'm going to use my NYX multitasker, and this is just to place any shimmers on the lid. I recommend that you get this product because it is amazing. Right in that crease and to where it meets that black, dark shade, not black. And you have to really let this dry, because if you don't, it'll crumble the shadow. So you have to really let it dry. Kind of like if you apply your lashes, you apply the glue on the lashes and then you have to kind of let them dry. Look at it. So I'm going to just take Benin, and the shadows are so soft, like to die for. And if you have certain areas that aren't dry, just pat, don't swipe. Notice I'm patting. See that? Smaller brush. This is a MAC 247, and I'm taking Mino, that dark shade I had before, and I'm going to just place this on my outer lid just to blend the two shadows together. For liner, I'm going to be using my NYX liner, and this is the matte liquid liner, and it's so pretty. It's so good. Like, look at this. So amazing. And I'm loving that liner. It like really like, but once I add some more colors to my lower lash line, I promise it'll be glamorous. And I admit, lashes aren't the easiest thing to put on, but you get used to it after a while. And I'm going to pick back up Kano, which is this shade here, and I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. And then right on top of that, I'm going to go back in the palette. I'm going to pick up Mino again, which is that darker shade. And I'm going to place that on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to take my Kiss New York. What is this? My Kiss Luxury Eyeliner Pencil in the darkest black they have. And I'm going to use this to further smoke out the lid. And the last step is to just add mascara. And this is Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I'm going to take the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And lately I've been taking my highlighter and I haven't been placing it right here. Instead, put my mirror back up here. I like to place it on the cheeks because that's where I feel like my highlight is. And it's not right there. It's right here on the cheeks. You know? Instead of placing it all the way up there. And a little bit of this goes a really long way. And in my last makeup video, my highlight on my nose was too serious. And I don't want it to be that way again. And to line my lips, I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses Perfect Precision Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Gingerbread. So for my lips, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use, what shade is this? This is Commando by Monzi Cosmetics. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check this out. And I'm just going to use this on my lip. And this is a matte. You guys know I don't usually do mattes. This is it. Alright y'all, let me go get my hair together and I'll be right back to talk to y'all about this look. I'm still deciding if this is the lip color I want to use. I'm wearing my camo here in light of Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans out there. So let's just observe this moment for our veterans. This look is a little bit different for me. I'm not usually one into cool tones on the lips, but I just wanted to try some new techniques. I absolutely love the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, as you can see. And this is a goodie. It's $20 and you can pick it up at your local Ulta. I saw it and I instantly fell in love with the color selection, and I think it's brown girl friendly. That wraps up this video. I'm super glad you stuck around this long to watch it, and subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what other things that you guys like to see me try. I'm in a trying mood right now. So yeah, that's all folks.